For those in the audience, getting to know you for the very first time, care to share your screen name on Instagram?
Lil Wop 17 underscore.
When it comes to that Instagram profile of yours, you're only following 3 people. And one of the 3 people you follow is Lil B. Why 3 people, and why Lil B of one of those 3 for you?
I fuck with Lil B, he hard. Like everything he stand for, like, it's really hard. I fuck with Lil B for sure. I always been like a fan of Lil B for real.
Now, do you know him personally by any chance?
No, I never met him before, but shit, the way I used to listen to him and like watch him and shit, you would think, you feel me? So it's like, you know, I fuck with bro for real.
Do you have a favorite song or project of his by any chance?
Favorite song? One Time Soup, Paris Hilton, Martian. Lil B got some shit. 30,000 million. Like, he got some shit. I fuck with Lil B for sure. He hard.
And why only 3 people on Instagram? You are following 2 other profiles, but why 3? Because there's some people that follow hundreds of people on IG, thousands, but you only 3.
I forgot who the third one is. For real, for real. What's the third one?
Well, I can pull that up and alert you on what that is.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I remember. No, I remember. It's a model. I'm following too. She dope. She got a dope look to her. I'm like, she look fire. She look fire for real.
I don't want to mispronounce her name, but it's spelled Adwoa space Aboah.
Yeah, she's fire. She fire. I like her look. She dope.
Do you know her personally by any chance?
No, I just look into her like, you feel me? I'm like, she just got a dope look to her type shit.
And then you also follow Hood Rich Goth Boys.
Yeah, that's gang. Hood Rich Goth Boys, for sure.
But why just 3 people for you? Or 3 profiles? Why not more than that?
For real, my feed be kind of fucking boring. I need some more people to be following on that bitch for real, but I don't fucking know. I just be doing different little shit, bro. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Inconspicuous, whatever the fuck, how you say it, if that's the meaning, but I think it is.